Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Tricks. So today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can convert the column into rows and rows into column. So in this one I have taken a sample data here. What I'm going to do, I can select any of the column which I'm going to convert that into rows. So here I will select column D. For example, you can select C as well. So let's take C. So in this one, just click on any of the cell here and then press Ctrl Shift and page down. Now you can see the whole data got selected. Okay, then right click it, copy it and then open any kind of new sheet. Okay, and here after coming here, just click on any of the cell and then press Ctrl Alt and V. Once you will press Ctrl Alt and V, you will get these options. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to click on transpose, click on OK. Now you can see that column got converted into rows, right? Similarly we can do for the column part. Similarly we can do for the row, right? So you can see this is our row and this we will convert it into column. Okay, then again just click on this cell, first cell, and again do Ctrl Shift and then end, because we are going to select from this part. So Ctrl Shift and end, and then right click, copy, go to this sheet again, just select any of the cell, then again do Ctrl Alt V. You will get a transpose option, click on that and OK. Now you can see our column got converted into rows and our row got converted into column. So I think you like this video. If you like this video, like it, subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you.